Hey everyone, here we are, part 2 of the $100 plasma cutter from Amazon Adventure. And I got the replacement plasma cutter. So we're gonna go ahead and get this one unboxed and see if it's any good. I'm just gonna do a time lapse of the unboxing. So if you wanna see all the details of how you set these up, I'll link the part 1 video below and that'll have all the details for you. Alright, so everything was pretty much the same as last time for assembly. Interesting enough, the torch tip, just like in the first go around, torch tip is definitely used, so I don't know. Go figure. Only thing left to do now is go up and fire in the hole and see if it works. I think I'm just going to start to begin with on 220 and see how that works. On 220 volt, the air set between just above 44 to 54 psi. I have not turned this unit on. We're all set, ready to go. So let's go for round 2. That's a good sign. Last setting, according to the information they sent, I should be around 25 to 30 for what I'm cutting. So I'm going to set this to 27. I'll go to 28, why not? Well, that's what's supposed to happen. All right, well that is way farther than we ever made it on round 1, so that's exciting. All right, so that was 28 amps, 220 volt. This thing is, I don't know, a little bit underneath. Took that right off the little ear of this sickle tooth cutter. It's pretty late. I stayed up way too late on part 1, but tonight's a work night, so I don't have that same luxury. Mr. Smiley Face pierced through sickle bar tooth. Look at all the fun, useful, productive items I can do on that. He's even got some eyebrows there where the cut pierced through. I think this guy's gonna have to hang around. Maybe he'll be my new mascot. All right, well, that's fun. Dead out of the box for round 1. So here we go for round 2. I know it's just a little cut. I'll make a part 3, I think, with a bunch of you know, just a bunch of test cases running this. I'll also run it on 115 volts, see how it cuts with that. Smells great, that fresh cut metal. All right, well, thanks for watching. Hope you'll have that other video up in a few weeks, and I'll make sure I'll link to part 3 below. Take care.